You must have heard companies like Amazon, Microsoft, or Google give stocks worth lakhs to their freshers. But what are these stocks and how are they different from the usual stocks that we buy? Are they even worth it? What is a vesting period? Well, don't worry. We are going to cover everything today in this video. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mayank and today in this video, we are going to discuss everything about RSUs. We are going to unveil the truth about these stocks, so make sure you watch till the end. Also, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. तुमने सुना होगा कि Google जैसी कंपनीज 45 to 50 lakhs का पैकेज देती हैं, but that doesn't mean that your monthly salary will be 45 lakhs divided by 12. Alright, this is the biggest confusion that people have, and this humongous figure is known as CTC or cost to company. Alright, now this CTC has several components, among which are your stocks or RSUs. So these RSUs or stocks are a large part of your CTC, and sometimes they are larger than your base salary. So for example, if we talk about Google has a package of 50 lakhs where 16 lakhs is the base salary and 24 lakhs are your RSUs. पर ये RSUs होते क्या हैं? Well, RSU stands for Restricted Stock Units. अभी restricted क्यों होते हैं इसकी भी बात कर लेते हैं. So these stocks are restricted because of a vesting period. Okay, so vesting period is the amount of time after which you can exercise your stocks, which means that you have to wait for a certain time in order to sell your stocks. Now these stocks are allocated according to a vesting schedule. Now every company can have a different vesting schedule, but generally a trend is followed where you will get 25% of your stocks each year for 4 years. Okay, so for example, Google gives stocks worth 24 lakh rupees. Okay, and current market value of a Google share is $110, which is somewhere around 800 rupees. Now if we divide this 24 lakh by 800, we will get a figure of 3000. Now these 3000 are the total number of the stock units that you will be getting in the period of your 4 years. Okay, अब ये तुम्हें allocate कैसे होंगे? So according to the vesting schedule, let's say you will get 25% of each 25% of these 3000 each year. So you will get 750 stock units in your first year, then 750 stock units in your second year, and so on till 4 years. तो अब बात कर लेते हैं यार इनके pros and cons की. So the biggest advantage of these stocks are their multi-bagger returns, especially if we talk about FAANG companies. So if we talk about Amazon, for the in the last 5 years, Amazon has given around 180% returns. So that is huge. All right. So Amazon gives around 13 lakh rupees worth stocks. So if you have joined Amazon like 5 years back, you would now have stocks worth 36 lakhs. So you can see how great this thing is. Okay. Now coming to cons, I won't say it a con but rather a catch, and that is your vesting period, because you have to be with the company for at least 4 years in order to get all of your stocks. So companies usually employee retention के लिए करती हैं, because अगर वो first year में ही 100% stocks दे देंगे एक employee को, तो employee might change the company. Alright. So this was all about RSUs. If you have any doubts, queries or suggestions, feel free to put them in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer them all. Also, please do like the video, share it among your friends and subscribe to the channel. Stay safe, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.